Just decided to take a break from all my calls and go for a ride on my bike. There it is right there. Gonna go for a rip and get a coffee in between some calls here. And decided to step outside and get some fresh air in this beautiful sky. Here's the thing. I had this really interesting conversation with an accountant, and she made this comment. She was so frustrated with the firm that she's working at. You know who I'm talking about, because you know who you are. She was super frustrated, and the partners were coming through and they're like slave driving. You got to get more billable hours. And she goes, I think accountants are sadists. I think they're sadists. And I thought about it a little bit more and I went, they're not. I don't think we're sadists. I don't think we really enjoy hurting other people or making other people have pain, but we're definitely masochists, you know, because the difference between the two is that the sadist likes to hurt somebody else. The masochist likes to hurt themselves. I think accountants are masochists because we've been brainwashed into thinking that the amount of billable hours, the harder we work, there's more value to us. So it's like, why especially now, look at this beautiful sky and there's sun and it's spring is sprung and the birds are singing and we're inside doing fucking tax returns for hours and hours and hours. Now we're at the end of April, so the Canadians are all getting, their last poundage at the end. Down in the US, of course, congratulations, you're done April 15th, unless of course you've pushed off all your extensions to June 15th, then you get a second tax deadline filing and a third one. And, it's like the never ending story. But here's the thing about this. Do you really want to be a masochist? Do you really want to keep hurting yourself? Or do you want to start enjoying your life? It's just a thought. I'm just saying, for me, I'd had enough. When I lost my first accounting practice, when my partnership went south, I said my partnership went south and I went north, and I said, you know what? I'd had enough of this bullshit. I am not going to work like this anymore. I'm not going to burn my brains out, and I'm not going to keep wearing this badge of honor. You ever notice that at the end of tax season, all the accountants get together and they're like, how many hours? Oh, I did this many tax returns. Oh, we worked 14 hours. We're 15. It's crazy. Why? Why are we doing this? I don't understand it. That's why I did the accountant success formula, to give you back your freedom so you can take back control. So just think about this. Are you working so hard because it makes you feel good about yourself that you're suffering? You actually enjoy the suffering, which once you wake up to it and you realize that the suffering actually gives you some sort of pleasure, you'll go, oh my gosh, maybe Erik's right. Maybe I am a bit of a masochist. Then you can rethink your life. You know what I mean? Then you can change it. And if you want to change it, the Accountant Success Formula is there for you if you'd like it. So there you go. This is my end of tax season rant for the Canadians, the Americans. Good luck. Or congratulations on finishing round one, shall we say, of tax filing deadlines. Anyways, there you go. Get outside, go enjoy the sun. I'm going to go jump on my bike, get a cup of coffee, and get back on some more coaching calls with accountants who have taken back their freedom. Because, as always, I'm Erik Solbakken, reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.